baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left, switched up at the end. Switched up at the end. Where you could have been, where we could have been. Let me tell you, little baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left, switched up.
Alright. Green Chris, as you seen him with the Gerzy bumper, he dropped off these Skunk2s. There's regular Skunk2s for now, and if you know what we're thinking of doing, then you know what's up. We're gonna go ahead and modify these to get a little bit more camber out. So I'm gonna take it to my work and I'll probably show you guys how I did it. I did it in the last video, but I'll show you guys again. Alright, here it is, the Skunk2 camera kit. Pull one out. I think with these you get like -1 or -2 degree of camber if you max it out all the way. So what we do is we get this, we flip the ball joint, and I'll show you guys, and we cut this as far back as we can. Basically we cut it all the way to the end, and that way you get the max degree. The more you cut, the more camber you get. I believe after this you should get at least -3 to -5 degrees of camber, I believe. We'll test that theory once he gets the alignment, because for sure you're gonna need one after that. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this ball joint off and I'll show you guys. Alright, ball joint's out. So it's just in your car like this. And let's take these down real quick. So it's kind of hard to do it one hand. So normally it sits in your car like this, and you can move it back, positive camber, all the way to like some negative camber. What you do is, so if you flip it, you can see where it rests, like right here. Basically this is where it's at. Just by flipping it alone, you can't do it without grinding it a little bit, but you already see that it's already in more. And then once you grind it right here, you get a little bit more degrees of camber. This is not gonna really mess up anything. I've been running mine for like over a year with no issues. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cut it and we mark it off. Basically we're gonna cut it we're gonna try to max it out. So this is too far. We'll try to go right at the edge. The more you cut, like I said, the more camber you'll get. So we'll go ahead and basically all of this is getting cut out. So for this, we're going to use a carbide bit. This is what we call it. Get like a good one. The black Harbor Freight ones will not work. They'll dull so fast that you're gonna have to go to the store and get like a different set. But this one's a pretty good one. You get it at Lowe's or any like industrial place that actually sells them, like good brand ones. So yeah, this is what we are going to use to cut it. Alright, this time was like cut off. We can see where it like kind of started scooping down. It went just like, what is that, a 1/16 of an inch it looks like. So when you put it in, so basically before it was like this, now you can put it in just like this, and it goes all the way down right here. I could cut more, but as you look on this side, it's basically just right there touching it. So this one is good. Any more, you know, you want the boulder to at least move freely, so that's good. So I'll show you how when we put this back together right now. Alright, so when you put this back together, of course, you know, you got your, I didn't put them all in yet, but you put this down as far back as it goes. Normally this will be flipped, but you flip it like this way, so it's kind of opposite, as you can see, but it still all lines up. And then yeah, that's about it for this mod, and you get so much more. Watch, I'll show you guys. A regular one, you can see the difference. Oh, it's flipped now. And then look on this side. How much degree more camber you got? Like way down here now. This one's like right there still. Yep. So I didn't tighten this one up yet because I'm gonna take this off. I'm pretty sure this is aluminum, but we'll go ahead and paint it red. That way, you know, you can't really see it. And then go ahead and do the exact same on this one. Second one is now done. Go ahead and paint this one and then let it dry. We got green crest here. We're gonna put his camber kits on. He got to make it up this swamp right here. Oh, poor Gerzy. He beats the shit out of this Gerzy bumper, I swear. Yep, go in the water. Turn all the way left. You good? You good? Keep going, you good. Damn, not even low. Alright, keep going, keep going. Cool. Let's do a before shot. This is before of some natural camber. Another one. Before shot, some natural camber. Alright, so this is after the mod. You can see it's basically maxed out, but you know, you can still move it. Bunch of play. This is, don't mind how beat up this bushing is, but this is the max out on a regular one before. I think I already showed you guys. But yep, we're gonna go ahead. Let me actually put the Instagram for the guy who helped me get these ones. Put this on. He ain't ready for all this camber.
I'm ready. Let's swap.
He's
Let's swap the 6-speed.
Yep.
Oh.
This shit hella shit. Took the 17 out. Then I'm gonna take these 14s out over here and get that out. For in there, we use a 14 wrench, and it's hitting the coilover. So when we took this out, you just get a hammer. You hit it right here. Hit it with a hammer, and it just pops out. That way we don't damage the ball joint.
Then there's a bolt under this.
A 10, huh?
Probably.
Let me see. No, you're good.
No?
No, you're just gonna slide it over. Like move it that way around.
Oh shit.
Taking the shirt off so we could loosen it and drop it just a tiny bit so we could get the bolt out. Alright, this is his old one, or kind of new one. This is a camber bolt thing, you can see. And it gives you more camber on a stock, what do you call it, thingamabobby?
Cambered arm?
Upper control arm. And then this is a new one, so you still get more camber with the Skunk2 mod, it looks like.
So that means I lose the bolt now, huh? And it replaces it with this bracket thing, right?
Yeah. Well, you don't, this is not even supposed to be on here, this bolt. This is aftermarket, usually just flush. I think this whole thing's new. But yeah, here's the new beauty one. Get this one on now.
We didn't get to see the engraving.
Skunk2. It's all in, maxed out. Time to break his shit. No. Put the wheel on. Here's another shot. I believe we gave it pretty much a good amount of camber. Here's the other side that hasn't been touched. It's kind of hard to tell. One's like this. This one you can tell it's like in there now. You gotta move it a little bit. Okay.
Now.
Just getting the last wheel on. Everything's tight, cotter pins in. The top ones are tight.
Clapped out fit, man.
You haven't seen Chris for a minute, man.
I'm out of the mod game now. I'm broke. Setting up a GoFundMe.
Yeah.
I went on deck because I couldn't pay my Gerzy bumper, so my sponsor Dimitri Mythic Customs is removing it from me.
Yeah, I'm taking all my stickers off his car. If you want to find where the GoFundMe link is for him, you go to christianmingle.com, type in deep green pearl _ Acura TL, go to the bio on his Christian Mingle, and there's a GoFundMe if you want to find it there. He's taking anything from food stamps to acorns, so
yeah,
and dog coin,
cat coin. Oh, it's loose, right?
Yeah,
I gotta be careful.
Well, it's not. I don't know.
Oops.
You good? You see now, it's like in there. Before you could kind of like see the rim, but now it's like in there.
Static gang?
Static gang.
20K springs.
Alright, that's your Skunk2 Hella Flush mod for you right here.
Yeah, I'd rather put the 10.5s in the front.
The 10.5 and what's the rear?
Well, it's 9.5 and then 10.5, but I want to put the thick ones in the front because I don't know, when I go up it rubs. Oh, dying.
Yeah? Damn, look at this guy with all the camber now. This guy thinks the shit with all the camber. I don't know if he's gonna make this one. It's pretty close. Oh, he's making it. Damn, this guy's a pro. Damn, this guy's a pro. Damn, alright, no scrape guy.
No scrape, I learned.
More camber.
Air cups.
Air cups. Alright, air it back down.
I gotta, switch the coils out.
Back up a little bit. Yeah, I want to see for this. Now make your wheel straight. Oh yeah, you can see a little bit more camber. I was just seeing the camera on it.
I'll let you know though.
Alright, see you.
Most likely today or tomorrow.
Alright, end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Hit the camera. Don't do it like the other guy.
How? That's
freaking how Kanye did it. You watch that video when Kanye was just tapping it?
Oh, hit it? Right here?
No, hit it. Hit the camera.
Oh, hit the camera right here?
No, hit the screen.
Oh.
No, harder.
Harder?
I need to make it go.
No.
You gotta hit it. Get it go all black.
Up in the sky. Welcome to the good life.